Hey, hello. Sorry, yeah. It's been too late for you. I'm sorry.
Sir,
How are you?
fine.
Fine. Nothing happens this week. Did you
Mm,
did you already hit your school apa ya? Hmm, apa sih? Mid test, mid exam
Heaven next week.
next week?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna prepare you the materials for today. So today we will making an application is called Twine.
Huh?
Twine.
Wine?
Yes, Twine. Have you installed it? Or if you don't install it, it's okay.
No, I don't install it.
No, it's never mind. But you can access it on the web also. Wait, yeah. I'm gonna give you the
Okay.
link. I'm gonna give you the link.
Okay.
Twine. Mhm.
So how about last time the one that we're making games one?
Yeah, last time we making the story, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And today we want to uh creating like sequence stories from the you make last time. Jadi kita sambung-sambungin story-nya. Wait, I'm gonna give you the link here on the Zoom, and I'm gonna share my screen. Turning a story into a game.
So do I need to share my screen, sir?
Wait. I'm gonna explain to you first. Okay.
Okay.
So last time we already making stories. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then today, we will create a game based on your story. Tapi ini it's not the regular games. It's a text based. Jadi ada teksnya, text based doang. Dan every text games it will create like decisions, Dari
Mm-hmm.
one story ke story lain tuh ada decisionsnya. Okay. Wait. So how do we make it? We will create like a choice, yeah. We will create like a choice. Maybe if if you are hungry and you given choice by your parents, maybe you want bakso or you want nasi goreng if you're hungry right now.
I pick
Yeah, you pick which one you pick.
um in I pick in the screen one or the one that sir say.
The one that I say.
Oh yes, sir, just now.
Bakso and nasi goreng. Which one?
Bakso.
Bakso. Why?
Because I just like bakso.
Because you just like bakso. So that's the choice, right? That's the choice. And every choice is important, Every choice is important and it's different. It will give you different outcomes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So it's same in a game. Maybe you pick in a horror game, maybe you pick like um things. Mungkin kalau horror game tuh apa ya? Ada center, atau ada lilin. There's a flashlight or candle to light
Yeah, I
your
know.
way.
So they asked me to pick a flashlight or candle.
Mhm. If you pick the flashlight, then what happened? If you pick the candle, then what happened? Just like that.
Oh, I know. Okay.
Mhm. So in a story game, or most of the story, or maybe if you like watching movies, yeah, it will be divided the plots by 3x.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello, hello. Yeah, you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. So if you often to watch movie or you often to watch game to play games,
Mhm.
uh, there's a plots divided by 3x, yeah, consists of 3x. So the first one is the beginning. The first one is the beginning and the middle part, and then the end. Okay. And then, yeah, this is the structure, the climax stage, storyline. Ya, jadi di middle itu bakal ada climaxnya, bakal ada puncak ceritanya. Hmm. Nah, nah ini yang this is what will define your game. This is what will define your story ya. Ada eventnya, ada choice,
Hmm.
and the consequence, ada konsekuensinya apa gitu. So every choice is meaningful. Event description. Okay. So if you want to create a story, yeah, if you want to create rewrite or recreate the story, you can also use ChatGPT and you set the limitation, you
Yeah.
set the topic, be specific, be details, harus detail, harus spesifik, semakin detail semakin bagus. Jadi kayak gitu aja hari ini. Nah, so this is the scene, ya. Jadi akan terbagi beberapa scene ya. Ada scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 atau scene seterusnya. Jadi template-nya itu ada scene number, ada the plot, stage, ya.
Hmm.
Mhm. Lalu ada setting specific location and specific character, and then the topic and the event description. And today we will start by making this making this template. Misalnya dari awal cerita kamu, dari horror games kamu, scene number one-nya, kamu mulai dari mana? Where do you start? Ya, location-nya kemarin di hospital ya, hospital, and then the character, siapa namanya, terus dia ngapain, kayak gitu, kayak gitu. So we will make it simple. We will make it like just 3 scene. So the beginning, the middle, and then the end. Just make it simple.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Let's get back to Miro again. Yeah. We will create a sticky notes, and we can let's go. Let's share your screen to Miro. Miro, Miro, Miro.
So we're gonna use Miro again.
Yeah, Miro again. We will use Miro first.
Miro.
Miro, and you open Algonova, yeah.
Miro.com.
Miro.com. Okay. Okay, stay right there, and we open Algonova again first on the other tab.
Algon. Ah,
Yeah, new tab, new tab, new tab.
wait, I forgot my password.
Yeah,
Oh, here
your
is it.
password 4951.
Ini already go in.
Oh, you got it. Okay, good. Storyline.
So, um,
Mm,
this clear and meaningful consequences of each chart. This.
yes. Rewrite the story so that the climax stage poses a problem. Okay, now go back to Miro again. We will create this.
Oops. So I just enter my
Hmm,
email
just login.
or login.
Yeah, the last time you use Google, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, let me just check using my email.
You can or cannot.
Can.
Use Google,
Cannot just now.
cannot.
Yeah. Wait, let me try Google again.
Mm-hmm. Use Google again.
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Let's make new sticky notes.
Tell us about your team.
Hmm?
Please tell us about your team.
Just type, just type randomly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, lagi belajar sama Ina tuh gak ada dokumen tuh. Nanti kalau Cici, kalau misalnya
Just choose randomly.
The random.
Mhm. Just random.
So lagi.
Continue. Just continue.
Skip.
Skip. Skip. There you go. And
Already.
then add some sticky notes. Add one sticky notes, ya. Tambahin sticky note satu.
Any color?
Any color.
Sure. Already
Already done?
done.
Okay. In your sticky notes, we will create like I send you in the chat Zoom ya. Kakak kirim di chat Zoom, kita bikin kayak gitu. Nah, untuk for the
Yep.
isinya apa, kita bakal pakai GPT. Halo. Oke, you good? Cek. Halo, you good? Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Hello, sir.
Yo, you good?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's share screen again. Jadi sticky notes-nya itu kita bakal isi dengan yang kakak kirim di chat Zoom ini. Nah,
So copy the one that you sent.
now you can use ChatGPT to fill the template. Jadi template-nya ini kamu bisa pakai ChatGPT.
Perfect. How?
Oke, udah buat sticky notes. Sekarang kita ke ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Go to ChatGPT.
Dah.
Okay. Write a story description. Write a story description based on based on this template.
This
This
template.
template. Oke. Sekarang kamu tekan shift terus tekan enter. Shift enter. Nah, template-nya kamu lihat di gambar itu ada scene number ya.
Hah?
Kamu lihat di gambar yang di chat Zoom, you see the picture in your chat Zoom. Itu template-nya ada scene number, ada plot, stage, ya ada
Copy.
spesifik. Ya, kamu tulis ulang. Scene number, plot, stage, location. No, don't copy. I mean you write it on the ChatGPT. Scene,
I cannot see.
scene number,
In number.
scene, scan it. Scene, skin number, comma, plot stage,
Log stage.
plot stage, plot stage, and then location,
Then.
and then character,
And then.
character, and then topic,
Topic.
yes, and then event description,
Even. Dash.
event
Description.
event description.
Sir, this
Event description.
ini event description. Oh, event.
Ya, event. Oke. Sekarang shift enter lagi. Shift enter lagi.
Enter.
Nah, kemarin kan kamu bikin cerita tuh. Yes. Last time you read the story and then you describe your story.
Forgot.
Okay. This is the scene number 1. It will begin
Scene
in
number 1, right?
mulainya dari mana? Where it begins.
This?
Yeah.
I write this.
Yeah, according to your story.
I forgot.
If you forgot, you can right click di sini. Kamu bisa right click, klik kanan di sini.
And then?
Ini,
Oh,
klik kanan. No. Oke.
here.
Ya, kamu tulis salah yang tadi di sini. You accidentally you close the tab, you know. But this never mind.
Then how?
Ya, kamu bisa tulis ulang lagi di sini yang tadi.
Oh. Okay. So right?
Ya, write a description of the scene based on this template. Oke, shift enter. Nah, ada scene number 1, scene number, kemudian plot stage, kemudian ada location. Oke, karakter, topik, event description. Oke.
And then?
Let's copy this.
This one, you wake up in a dark rotting hospital.
Yeah.
Paste.
Paste. Send it to GPT. Nah, di sini kan ChatGPT-nya bakal give you recommend. Do you want to continue and build scene 2?
Yeah.
When the protagonist encounters the feels real danger. Kamu tulis yes aja di sini. Oke, jadi ChatGPT-nya ngasih kamu rekomendasi. They give you recommendation of your scene. Nah, dia kasih kamu rekomendasi lagi. If you want to keep building the if you want to keep the building a scene by scene storyline like a game campaign as a movie like script, ya, kamu boleh yes juga. Nah, dia bakal kasih kamu rekomendasi lagi. Oke, never mind. Sekarang yang scene 1 tadi kamu copy. Ya. Scene 1 tadi kamu copy. Oke, good. Go to Miro. Nah, tampilin di sticky notes. Nah, you copy again. Copy di GPT again.
So copy again.
Ya, copy di GPT dulu. Oke, good. Now paste it. Okay, there you go. Okay, sekarang kamu bikin sticky notes baru. You make another sticky notes for scene number 2.
Okay.
Oke, copy yang scene number 2. Oke,
Dah.
oke. Nah, sekarang kamu bisa ini loh. Kamu bisa apa namanya? Connectin. Kamu bisa sambungin sebenarnya. Ya,
Monekin.
you can connect the sticky notes.
Ini
Caranya?
already connect.
No, no. I mean like using wires, something like that. Caranya, kamu jauhin dulu keduanya. You move away these
Oh.
two sticky notes. And then you click on the first sticky notes. You click on the first sticky notes. Okay. There is like a blue dot here. Yeah.
Hmm.
Mhm. Click it. Click it. Click the blue.
Already.
Click the blue dots.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click and hold. Tekan dan tahan.
Already.
Ya. Bawa ke kanan. Bisa nggak? Can you?
Cannot. Oh,
Cannot?
already.
Nah itu. There you go. Jadi dia connect. Dah hilang lagi. Oke.
Ini?
Oh ya ada. Sorry. Kekecilan. Nggak apa-apa. Nah itu bisa ganti-ganti warna tuh. Bisa ganti-ganti warna. Bisa ganti-ganti ketebalan juga. The thickness and the color. Okay. Do you want to make a scene number 3 or not?
I don't know.
You don't know? You think it's
Mhm.
enough? Okay, if you think it's enough, you can screenshot this and upload to Algonova.
How to screenshot again?
Window Shift S.
Done.
Dan save the image.
Oh, wait, sir. Already?
Ya, save the image nih di sini nih. Ada nggak?
Already. Already saved.
Already save? Okay.
Hmm.
Now upload it. Okay, good. Good,
Done?
good. Done. Oke, now setelah itu baru kita akan mulai ke Miro. Tapi ke Miro apa sih namanya?
Sir, wait. Sir, this one I press already green, but why this one not become green?
Okay. Did you go to the mission on the right side?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Go back.
Go back to?
Go back to the course. Okay, number 2. So this is like another one. Wait, I'm gonna share my screen again.
Okay. So you're going to share screen?
Yeah, wait.
Nah.
Okay. Did you already see? Okay, next is about quest or mission ya. Jadi di game horror kamu mungkin missionnya adalah mencari barang. You search for
Mm-hmm.
things ya. You search for things to help you escape, right? To help you escaping from the hospital. So it will be like this ya. So the mission like find a manuscript, go to search, maybe like in different rooms in your hospital or in the secret room. Ya. Mungkin setiap roomnya bakal ada yang kejadian-kejadian berbeda. Mungkin di room 1 there's a ghost, maybe di room 2 ada trap. We never know, right? But it will be decided by the character choices. Nah, nanti apakah kuncinya ada di room yang pertama atau yang kedua? You decide it by yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the quest works. Itu adalah quest atau misi bekerja. Now we will making like go to ChatGPT kan. We will making like quest mission ya, quest description. Jadi bisa come up with the description of the quest for the scene number. The quest must have description, something like that. Ya, kalau bisa tambahin skenario yang juga, misalnya di ruangan apa kayak gitu. Do you want to do it or not?
Suka hati.
Did you want to do the quest?
How about the one that making game one?
Or we just skip it to Twine? Twine is interesting, you know.
Ya udah skip.
Let's skip. Bye. Yeah. Let me show you the Twine. Let me show you how Twine works. So Twine ini lebih kayak website ya. Website. Jadi sini kita bisa new di sini. New misalnya ada horror games, horror story. Nah, di sini bakal ada kotak-kotak lagi. Bakal ada kotak-kotak lagi. Dan kamu bisa isi nih di sini. Kamu bisa isi yang description kamu tadi dari scene pertama sampai scene kedua. Misalnya, I wake up in the hospital and I want to go out of this room. Nah, kamu bisa use the link like this using this bracket. Sorry, using this bracket. I'm gonna show you. Nah, until it's blue and dia bakal nambah satu link gitu.
Oh, and
then you go this, kamu ke sini ke room misalnya. I already outside of the room misalnya. Terus kamu pengen cari cara keluarnya. I want to get out this hospital, but I don't have nothing. I don't have anything. Kemudian kamu mulai mencari. Begin to search up. Begin to search up. Kamu carinya di mana? Apakah different rooms Misalnya room 1. Room 1. Kita di sini ada pilihan. Mau room 1 apa room 2? Or room number 2. Nah, dia bakal giving kamu choices gitu kayak gitu. Dia bakal ngasih kamu pilihan. Nah, kemudian kamu bisa sambungin lagi di room 1 nanti ada apa, di room 2 nanti ada apa gitu.
Okay.
Oke. Jadi cara
Then how will people play the game?
how we play the game? Okay, like this. I'm gonna show you.
Sir, excuse me, can I, someone's calling.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, I'm back.
Oke. Oke, jadi kalau kamu mau bikin link ya, kalau kamu mau bikin link, caranya adalah pakai kurung yang apa sih namanya ini? Kurung siku.
Hmm.
Kurung siku di keyboard kamu
Then
tuh
how
di.
will people like play the game?
Nah, do you want to play the game? You go to the build on the upside here, build, and you play. Wake up in hospital and one goes to the room. You click on the room, and it will give you
Oh,
like.
sir, wait, okay, sir. Okay. And then press the
Okay.
room already.
Wait, I found a candle. Misalnya di room 1 you find a flashlight, but in room 2 you find a candle. Oke. Untuk mulai game ya, you build ya, ke build terus ada play di sini.
Hmm.
Udah. Jadi dia bakal text kayak gitu. Bakal text.
And then?
Ya, yang biru-biru ini you can click on the blue one. Ya. Nah, ada also the room. Kamu search up mau room 1, mau room 2. Misalnya room 1. I found a flashlight. Kalau room 2, found a candle.
Oh,
Like that. Ya. Jadi bakal comes up-nya tuh bakal different.
okay.
Okay, you ready?
Mhm.
Mhm. If you ready, let's go. Nah, yang ini kamu ini aja. Yang ini kamu centang aja.
Okay. So I langsung go to
Centang aja yang ini.
mm, wait, go to this. What
Algonova,
is it called?
Algonova dulu. Algonova dulu.
Logo Nova.
Mhm. Yang ini kamu centang. Oke, good. Nah, kembali dulu. Go to number 3. Number 3, number 3.
Mhm.
Oke. How to hook menggunakan kurung siku yang ini. Double square. Oh, bahasa Inggrisnya double square brackets.
This.
Yes. Next one. Select the
Select all
incorrect.
incorrect.
And
This.
then, yeah, this one and this one. Wait, skip next chapter. Game over, game over. Harusnya dia kurungnya 2 ya. Harusnya kurungnya 2.
Yeah.
Oh ya, yang ini benar. Yang ini benar. Oke, let's try. Coba.
Sir, wait. So if you want to like make the game, there has to be this one line or one line.
Yes, no no no. Ya, you need to make like kita perlu kurungnya aja, kita perlu bracketnya aja. Oke,
Berarti
next.
two bracket gitu for each.
Ya betul. Two
Okay.
bracket for each. Go to the build and play button. Oke, let's go. Nah, yang ini baru kita ke twine. Twine,
So how to go to time?
twine. Go to new tab. Ya, new tab. Kamu ini twine, cari aja twine. Ya, yang paling atas. Pilih yang use in browser. There you go. Skip. Oke, kamu bisa new di sini. New.
The story is
Ya, your story.
enter the name.
Your name, your story name. Hospital death. Okay,
I
get.
don't know.
Ya, never mind.
Okay, and then
And then ya, sesuai dengan yang kamu tulis di GPT. Cerita kamu mau apa? Mulainya dari mana? Scene 1 tadi apa?
here.
Ya, beginning.
Oh,
Kamu baca dulu, kira-kira udah sesuai belum?
yeah. So
Nggak, langsung di sini aja, yang event description. Yang event description-nya kamu copy. Oke,
and then go to
ya, paste. Nah, sekarang kamu bikin hook-nya, bikin link-nya. Menggunakan bracket yang siku.
next. Like this.
Hmm, boleh, ya.
And then
And then ya, lanjutin aja. Kamu mau bikin kayak gimana? Sesuai dengan
mm,
ceritanya.
you're locked
Hmm.
in 2 rooms. One big room with 2 doors. The first, can I like the first door? The first there is in the first door there is writing that says live, and the second door death, something like that.
Boleh, boleh, boleh.
The first door have got a wait.
Hmm.
And then what? The first door.
The first door.
How to say kayak
Hmm. With the doors. Hmm.
have a description or what?
Have a writing. Ada tulisannya
Ah.
gitu. Have a writing. Writing saying. Hmm.
Okay, and then
Is anything live? Live, oke. Boleh. Door 1 and then door 2. Hmm. Oke, boleh. Good.
dah. So if they go into door 1, what will happen?
Ya, door 1 misalnya ada apa? Apakah menemukan sesuatu atau menemukan apa? Door 2
Okay, you
juga sama.
found a lock pit.
Boleh? Mhm. Hmm.
Now door 2,
Hey, good. You found a flashlight, but it has no battery. You found a candle, but it don't have matches.
yeah.
It don't have the lighter. Hmm.
Hmm. Do nothing. For this one is
Mhm.
what ya? Hmm. Explore, not explore lah. Try to find.
Hmm.
Okay, then.
Mhm. You can
Sir,
continue.
if I press close for everything, will everything be deleted?
No. It won't be deleted. Just it close. Nah, there are so many options, right?
Mhm.
So you can make it until it finish. We have like 5 minutes left.
Okay, I try to build.
Mhm. Build.
If you build, can you like make it again or cannot anymore
Yeah,
if you build
can
it?
can you can make it again.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to build.
Build and play. Hmm.
Mm. Sherlock and Sir, can you like ask your friends to? I mean, ask our friends to play this.
Um, I think you can.
How?
You can share the link.
Okay.
Okay. It would be fun, right? If you're
Mhm.
making like a very long stories from this Twine application.
Okay.
Okay, you can finish it. 5 minutes left.
Okay. After you play, then how? Sir, how?
How what?
How to like continue?
How to like continue your project?
Yeah.
Yeah, go back to this tab.
Have this. I cannot.
Go back to tab sebelumnya nih. Yang di sini.
I cannot go because have this thing that says that audio video participant.
Oh, you can move it away. You can move it
How?
away. Uh,
Oh,
hold and click and hold.
okay,
Di,
okay.
di drag aja. Nah, there you go.
If you do nothing, then what will happen?
You need to be creative, right? Kalau kamu mau cari inspirasi di ChatGPT juga boleh.
You eventually die.
You eventually Ya, boleh. Die and restart the game. And restart ke door 1 lagi.
Wait, if die, do we need to press like restart like that?
Boleh. Jadi kamu tulis restart, terus kurung door 1. No,
Terus,
bukan kayak gitu. Hapus dulu.
then
You write restart to
door 1.
door 1, yes. Nah, jadi ya bolak-balik gitu deh. Hmm.
Oh, okay. Then if you try to find a battery,
Hmm.
you found one.
Hmm.
One or two.
Yeah, as you like. If you wanna add 2, you need to search. You need to search again, right?
Mhm. Um,
Now you need to find the key to go outside, maybe.
mhm. How about like suddenly the lights clicking, flicking like that?
Boleh.
The lights starts to
Starts to flickering.
flickering.
Starts to flickering. And then
Wait, the lights went off. Tapi memang don't have light. If you have light for what? They have the flashlight and candle.
uh, I, what do you mean? Do you mean the light of the flashlight or the light of the room?
How about the room just suddenly become scary?
Oke, boleh.
How?
Uh, you find the flashlight now, you can use the flashlight. But suddenly there is a loud noises of the woman. Suddenly loud voices of a baby appears.
And then suddenly the room filled with water, with hands. And then
Boleh,
you have to find the key.
boleh, yes.
Mm. I think this should be caps lock.
Need to escape. Find the key.
But it's gonna be weird.
Yeah, as long as you making choices, it's gonna be
I make three
very
choice.
boleh. 10 choices is all right as long as you remember the choices.
Okay, done.
Remember the 2 brackets. Okay, done. Kamu bisa tambah-tambahin terus sampai finish gamenya, sampai escape gitu.
So you find a battery, find the key. Oh, how about like a trick question?
Boleh. Riddle.
You found. You haven't found the key, and the water is filling up rapidly. Um, Beneath the water.
Hmm.
You haven't found the key, and the water is filling up rapidly. You saw something beneath the water. It looks like a key. But you're not sure?
Mhm. Hmm.
Mm.
Okay, let's stop it from here. You can continue later, yeah. Let's go back to Algonova first.
Algonova.
Okay, you can checklist here. Centang. Okay. Okay. So unfortunately our time is running out. And you can still continue, you still can continue ya. Kamu bisa lanjutin lagi.
Mhm.
Kalau kamu mau share, nih caranya gini. Kalau kamu
How to
mau
share?
share, caranya ada di publish to file ya. Publish to file.
Publish to file.
Ya, klik aja nanti kamu save. Nah, gitu. Kamu bisa share ke teman-teman kamu, mainin games. You can play my
Oh.
games like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Wait, sir. So, if I close this,
Yeah.
and then I build and then I play, will it come out like this?
Maybe I don't know. Let me try it first, eh?
Okay. Wait,
Let me
let me
try it
see.
first. No. You don't need to see me. I can try it on my.
Okay.
Oh, masih ada kok.
So if you make a new one, it will come out like this. The one
Ah.
that we write.
Ya, masih ada. Tapi kalau lebih amannya mungkin bisa dicoba ya. Sebentar. Small.
Sir, I try to play, yeah.
Wait. Boleh,
Okay.
boleh. Oh ya, masih ada kok. Masih ada. Jadi kalau kamu close, kalau kamu main lagi, masih ada. Ya, masih ada aman kok kalau kamu close juga. Gitu. So, what do you think about this lesson using twine? Did you find it interesting?
Yes.
Yes, very.
Mhm.
You still want to continue and let your friends play your games?
Mhm.
Okay, good, cool. So before I close this lesson today, you have anything to ask?
No.
No. And then next lesson, next Saturday, we will start to creating website page,
What's that?
halaman website.
Mhm.
Ya, we will start to belajar caranya membangun web page gitu.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I think it's enough for today. Thank you for attending the class. Sorry for the late
Yeah, it's
beginning.
okay.
Sorry, I have a lot of problems today. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so bye-bye and see you next
Bye,
Saturday.
sir.
And thank you. Bye-bye.